you can ask ChatGPT, what are the Cubs going to do this year in the playoffs, or whatever, in the regular season? How many?
We already know what they're going to do, James. They're going to do quite well.
But you could ask that, but a ChatGPT is not really a predictive tool in that case, since it's predictive, but it will predict what your answer would be if you said, hey, give me what an interview question set, which should be associated with that resume. That's a task that generative AI can do very well for you. And what I would say is really thinking about how do you take that past data and predict it. And what I think makes AI so special is that you can take it and give it sets of files and have it quickly synthesize it. So like when I was in Colorado, I mentioned, we took a client's data set and dropped it into a SharePoint folder and built a no-code agent in just a matter of minutes that could synthesize all their contracts and extract out things like, let me pull out all of your dates of when your contracts are going to expire and build that into a spreadsheet. And then you set a trigger to send a reminder email about when the contracts are going to expire to take some action. That's for things that AI can do very well in terms of pulling out data, looking at that, and starting to predict what the user might want based upon the way things have been structured in the past.
So you're bringing up a great point, because it's also been, I don't know, relatively recently I've heard this whole narrative around, the general models that have consumed the world's data, right? And I can't remember if it was Sam Altman or Musk or, one of the giants of the AI, but basically they're like, we've consumed all the data. Like now the data